In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns in Notion. Columns are a simple way to organize content side by side, so you can compare notes, split tasks, or create a clean, balanced layout without extra effort. I'll walk you through exactly how to add them and give you a few helpful tips so your page looks great right away. Start by placing your cursor where you want the columns to appear. You can do this on a new page or anywhere within an existing page. Now, use Notion's quick command menu by typing a /, then begin typing the word column. As you type, Notion will filter a list of options that match what you're looking for. Keep typing until you see the layout option labeled 2 columns. If the menu closes or you don't see it right away, simply type the / again and re-enter column to bring those options back. Click on 2 columns, and Notion will instantly split the area into 2 side-by-side sections. You'll see 2 empty blocks appear next to each other, ready for your content. This structure is perfect for dividing related information, like putting ideas on the left and action items on the right, or notes in one column and visuals or checklists in the other. If you already have content on the page, you can drag existing blocks into either column to arrange things exactly how you want. Next, give each column a clear name so your layout is easy to navigate. Click into the top of the left column and type a title that describes what belongs there. Do the same for the right column. For readability, consider turning those titles into headings. You can select the text and apply a heading style to make it stand out, or simply keep it as regular text if you prefer a minimalist look. The key is clarity. Concise, descriptive names help you and anyone you share the page with understand the structure at a glance. As you fine-tune the layout, remember that Notion saves changes automatically, so there's no need to worry about losing your work. If something doesn't look right, use undo to step back. On smaller screens or mobile devices, columns may stack vertically, which is normal and ensures your content remains readable. That's all you need to create clean, professional-looking columns in Notion. Use the / command to find the column option, choose 2 columns, and name each section clearly. Try it on a page you use frequently and enjoy the extra clarity that a well-structured layout brings.